Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for math. To begin, open your web browser and search for Claude AI Sign-In. In the search results, look for the official Claude Sign-In page. It is always a good idea to make sure you are selecting the official website so you can log in safely and access the correct tools. Once you are on the Claude Sign-In page, sign in to your account. If you do not already have an account, you can create one first and then continue. After logging in successfully, you will be taken into the Claude workspace, where you can start using its features for math-related tasks. Next, look to the left side menu and click on New Chat. This opens a fresh conversation, which is helpful if you want to keep your math questions organized and separate from any previous chats. Starting a new chat also makes it easier to focus on one problem, lesson, or topic at a time. Now you are ready to enter your math request. In the message box, type what you want Claude to solve or help you understand. For example, you can ask it to explain a concept, solve a problem, check your work, or walk through a process step by step. If you have a math lesson, worksheet, or document you want Claude to analyze, you can also upload it by clicking the plus icon and selecting the file. This is especially useful when you want help with more detailed material, such as notes, assignments, or practice questions. After entering your question or uploading your file, click the arrow button on the right side of the text box to send your request. Claude will then begin generating a response. Depending on what you asked, it may provide an explanation, a solution, or a breakdown of the lesson content. If you want better results, try being specific in your prompt so Claude clearly understands the type of math help you need. Once the response appears, you can use Claude in many ways throughout your math lesson. It can help you create explanations, support problem solving, and assist with understanding class material. This makes it useful not only for answering questions, but also for building study support around the topic you are working on. Whether you want to create math content, analyze a lesson, or get a tutorial-style explanation, Claude can help with that. You can continue the conversation, ask follow-up questions, and refine your request until the answer is clear and useful for your learning. That is how to use Claude AI for math.